For the first time ever, I am doing a photo and video shoot. A rolling photo and video shoot, professionally done. I have never done it ever in my YouTuber car guy career. This will be amazing to see. First, we're gonna do the Volvo and then the Infiniti. Well, maybe the Mazda later, but this video, we're doing the Volvo. But first things first, I have to do a pre-trip on this Volvo. Well, checked all 4 tires and all of them are at 28 PSI. They held for a month since I was last driving this car, and of course it warmed up, so of course it's gonna be at 28 PSI. So excited, she's running good. Time to go give her a little shower. She's been dirty, by sitting underneath the cover a little bit. She does need a bath, that is for sure. I'm so excited to get some rolling shots of her on the road. Never use brushes, that's all I could say. So that's why I'm using a sponge. Sponge is way better. There you go, making sure my tires get clean. Over here at the meetup location, about to do the video shoot. There's the videographer setting up his cameras for the photo and video shoot, and he has a nice Alfa Romeo. Let's get the shoot started. Look at that camera tracking me. Is it tracking? Yeah, it sure is. Look at that.
Good. That's cool.
Looks pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. This particular package, driving attempt on the 6 Series.